Hello everyone, welcome to GeekerMag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change theme in PS5 to personalize the home screen. Before that, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. On your PS5 home screen, you need to switch to Welcome tab. Here, switch to Change Background and select it. On Change Background screen, you will find three options, that is From PlayStation, From Game and Media Gallery. Under From PlayStation, you will find backgrounds from PlayStation, which includes still and dynamic backgrounds. Let's select this one and this will be applied to your home screen. Just like that, if you switch to From Game tab, you will get backgrounds from games that you have installed on your console. In my case, this is the only desktop background available. It's a dynamic background and this is how it looks like. At last, if you switch to Media Gallery, this includes screenshots that you have took during the gameplay. Let's apply this one from Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and that's it. So this is how you can change theme in PS5. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.